As I understand it, the GDPR requires basically some common sense stuff. And we have to present the privacy policy in a language that any regular, normal person would understand. These are the 4 questions that we need to answer. What information about me do you collect? How is my information used? To whom is it shared? And how do I opt out? Those are pretty basic questions. Now, the second thing that we have to get is informed consent. Now, the GDPR does not give a very specific definition of informed consent. So generally, I've seen 2 different descriptions online. One is implied consent, and that's where you put a pop-up and it says, if you are using our site, we use cookies, so you agree to our cookies, that kind of thing. You don't really have a choice, and you click accept. Now, informed consent, and what I think the GDPR is intending by these pop-up boxes and letting people know, is more of an active consent. So they can click accept cookies, or they can click learn more or opt out or something like that, which opens up another screen, which then gives them some options for how they control their own data. I recommend using that approach where you have accept cookies as a button or learn more, because then you can put some more language in a longer privacy policy, which is what we're going to do next.